morning, students. In this lecture, I am going to solve problems on Taylor series method. What, students? Taylor series method. Let us see the problem, students. Now then, students, solve y dash is equal to y square plus x, comma, y at 0 is equal to 1 using Taylor series method. Compute y at 0.1 and y at 0.2. Y at 0.2. This problem also very, very important, students. I discuss all the problems, important questions, students. Do it carefully. Solution given y dash is equal to y square plus x, students, y square plus x, and also y at 0 is equal to 1, students, y at 0 is equal to 1. So I am writing here y at x naught is equal to y naught. That implies, now compare these two, students. So x naught value 0 and y naught value 1, students, y naught value 1. Now h is equal to x minus x naught, that is equal to, what is x here, students? X 0.1 minus x naught value 0. So h value is 0.1. H value is 0.1. Now you write Taylor series method. What, students? Taylor series method. Taylor series method. What is Taylor series method, students? Yn plus 1, that is equal to yn plus h by 1 factorial into yn dash plus h square by 2 factorial into yn double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into yn triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into yn power 4 plus and so on. Here n value, students, n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Now if n is equal to 0, students, we get here y1, that is equal to, come on, tell me, students, y naught plus h by 1 factorial into y naught dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y naught double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y naught triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y naught power 4 plus and so on. Now see, students, we know y naught value, students. What is y naught value? 1. Y naught value is 1. So I want to find y naught dash. Before going to y naught dash, I want to find y dash, students. Y dash. What is y dash, students? Y square plus x. Now I want to find y double dash, students. Y double dash. So y double dash is y square derivative, students, with respect to x. Y dash means here, y dash means dy by dx. So y square derivative is 2y, and again derivative of y is y dash plus derivative of x is 1. So y triple dash, students, that is equal to, apply here UV rule, students, UV rule. So y, what is UV rule, students? Derivative of UV, that is equal to UV dash plus U dash V. So y dash derivative, students, so y double dash plus y dash derivative, students, y derivative, students, y dash. So y dash into y dash is square. Derivative of 1 is 0, students. So again you find here y power 4, students, So 2 into y, derivative of y double dash is y triple dash plus y derivative, students, y dash into y double dash plus plus y dash square derivative is 2y dash, and again derivative of y dash is y double dash. Y double dash. So that is equal to 2 into y triple dash plus y dash y double dash plus 2 y dash y double dash. So 3 y dash y double dash. This is y power 4, students. Y power 4. Now see, students, I want to find here y naught dash. Y naught dash, that implies y naught. That means whenever you observe x and y, you substitute x naught and y naught, students. X naught, y naught. So here are y square, students. So y naught square plus x, students. So x naught. That is equal to y naught square, students. 1 square plus x naught square. Sorry, x naught 0. That is equal to value is 1. Value is 1. Now y naught, students. Y naught double dash, that is equal to 2 y naught dash plus 1, that is equal to 2 into y naught, students. Y naught value is 1, y naught dash value is also 1 plus 1, so that is equal to, get here, students, 3. That implies y naught power 3, students. 3. So what is we get here, students? 2. Come on, tell me here. Into y naught double dash plus y naught dash square. That is equal to 2 into y naught value is 1. Y naught double dash, students. 3 plus y naught dash square. 1 square. So that is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Now here y naught power 4, students. Y naught power 4. So here 2 into y naught power triple dash plus 3 into y naught dash y naught double dash. That is equal to 2 into y naught, students. Y naught value is 1. Y naught triple dash 8 plus 3 into y naught dash value is 1. Y naught double dash value 3. That is equal to 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 2s are 34. 17 2s are 34. So this is 1, students. 1. Substitute in 1. We get okay, students, y1 that is equal to y naught value 1 plus h value, students, 0.1 y naught dash 1 plus h square, students. So 0.1 square by 2 factorial. 2 factorial means 2. Y naught double dash, students, into 3 plus h cube, students. So 0.1 whole cube by 3 factorial. 3 factorial means 6. Y naught triple dash is 8, students. 8 plus h power 4. H power 4 means 0.1 power 4 divided by 4 factorial. 4 into 6, 24 into y naught power 4 value 34, students. 34. That is equal to, higher order can neglect, students, because if I am taking here fourth order, the fourth order value almost is equal to 0, students. Is equal to 0. But if I am taking 2 decimal places, third term onwards, every term value is 0, students. Right. I want to calculate the complete value at a time in the calculator, students. So calculate, students, here 1 plus 0.1 into 1, okay, right, plus 0. I want to write these two terms at a time, students, and then divided by 2, students. So put bracket 0.1 x square, we get square into 3 bracket close divided by 2 students plus we write these two terms at a time students, so bracket 0.1 shift x cube students, then we get 0.1 cube into 8 bracket close divided by 6 students plus here also same, put bracket 0.1, this time we get cap 4 students, cap 4 into 34 bracket close divided by 24 is equal to, we get here 1.116 students, 1.116. Now we need this value students, so y1 value is here, y1 value 1.116. What is x1 value students? x1 value x naught plus h students, x naught value 0, h value is 0.1, so x1 value is 0.1 students. We need these two values. Let us continue students. Now put n is equal to 1 here students, n is equal to 1. So we get here y2 that is equal to, n is equal to 1 students, so we get here y1 plus h by 1 factorial into y1 dash plus h square by 2 factorial into y1 double dash plus h cube by 3 factorial into y1 triple dash plus h power 4 by 4 factorial into y1 power 4 plus and so on. Previously we find y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, y power 4 dash students. Okay, you write down students. y1 okay, y1 dash that is equal to, because we have already y1 students, what is y1? 1.116. okay students, y1, and x1 value students 0.1. so y1 dash students, I want to find y1 dash, so y1 dash that is equal to, come on tell me students, y1 square plus x1 that is equal to y1 square students 1.116 whole square plus x1 0.1 that is equal to 1.116 x square, that means we get square 1.116 square plus 0.1 that is equal to 1.35. What students? 1.35. Now y double dash students, that means y1 double dash that is equal to 2y1 dash plus 1 that is equal to 2 into y1 students, y1 1.116 into y1 dash 1.35 plus 1 students, 1 that is equal to 2 into 1.116 into 1.35 plus 1 that is equal to, we get here 4.01. Now y triple dash students, y triple dash, say it is y1 triple dash that is equal to 2 into y1 double dash plus y1 dash square students, y1 dash square that is equal to 2 into y1 is 1.116, y1 double dash 4.01 plus y1 dash square students, y1 dash square, so 1.35 whole square, 1.35 whole square that is equal to bracket students, bracket 1.116 into 4.01 plus 1.35 x square bracket close that is equal, we get here 12.60. Now see students here, y power 4, y that means here y1 power 4 students, y1 power 4 that is equal to 2 into y1 6 students here. Now y1 power, come on tell me y1 power triple dash plus 3 y dash students, that means y1 dash here y1 double dash, that is equal to 2 into y1 students. What is y1? 1.116 into y1 triple dash. Y1 triple dash is 12.60 plus 3 into y1 dash 1.35 into y1 double dash 4.01 bracket close, that is equal to bracket 1.116 into 12.6 plus 3 into 1.35 into 4.01 bracket close, that is equal to, we get here 60.60. Now you substitute all these values. Say this is 2 students, this is 2, substitute in 2 students, substitute in 2. So substitute in 2, we get so y2 that is equal to y1 students. Y1 is 1.116 plus h student. What is h? H is 0.1. So 0.1 y1 dash 1.35 plus h square by 2 factorial, that means 0.1 whole square by 2 factorial y1 double dash 4.01 plus, now this time students 0.1 whole cube by 3 factorial students, 3 factorial 3 into 2 6. What is the value? 12.60 plus, now this time students 0.1 whole power 4 by 4 factorial students, 4 into 6 24 into 60.60, that is equal to, you calculate all these values at a time in the calculator students. Come on, do it now. So 1.116 plus 0.1 into 1.35 into 1.35 plus, you write these 2 times at a time students and then divided by 2 students. So put bracket 0.1 x square into 4.01 bracket close, divided by 2 plus, similarly here also students put bracket 0.1 shift x cube, that means we get 0.1 cube into 12.6 bracket close, divided by 6 plus, there students put bracket 0.1 cap 4 students, cap 4 into 60.60 bracket close, divided by 24, that is equal to, I get here 1.27 students, 1.27. This is y2 value students, this is y2 value. What is y1 value students? Y1 value 1.116 and y2 value is 1.27. Hope you understand students. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.